the Science Room for Kids. You've probably heard of fishing or done fishing, but have you done ice fishing? That's the experiment we're going to do today. The things that you need are some ice, some salt, a string, and a plate so it doesn't get messy. Let's take our ice now take your string and put it on the ice. Now we're going to put some salt. Now count until 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're all done. Now let's carefully take the string. Wow! Wow! When we put the salt on the ice increased its temperature, so it melted. That's why we put salt on icy roads. Although there was coldness on the surface, so the ice refreezed, so the rope got tightly attached. Science today is technology tomorrow, so learn science in a fun way. The best way to learn science in a fun way is watching our videos. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Room for Kids. Thank you and Nandri.